Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to my heart, the world of business and entrepreneurship. Specifically, we're going to be diving into the story of Vagaro, a leading software platform for beauty, fitness, and wellness businesses. And to make things even more interesting, we're going to try to answer the question, who is the owner of Vagaro? Before we get into the juicy details, let's take a step back and talk about what Vagaro is and why it's important. In a nutshell, Vagaro is a cloud-based software platform that helps businesses manage their appointments, bookings, and finances. It's designed to be user-friendly and comprehensive, giving businesses everything they need to run their operations smoothly. So, who is the mastermind behind Vagaro? Well, that would be Fred Helou, the founder and CEO of the company. Fred is a serial entrepreneur with a passion for technology and innovation. He founded Vagaro in 2009, and since then, the company has grown into a global powerhouse with over 220,000 users worldwide. But Fred isn't just the owner of Vagaro. He's also the driving force behind its success. He's a visionary leader with a clear understanding of the needs of his customers. He's also passionate about giving back to the community, and he's actively involved in a number of charitable causes. Under Fred's leadership, Vagaro has become a leader in the beauty, fitness, and wellness industry. The company is known for its innovative products, its commitment to customer service, and its dedication to helping businesses succeed. So, there you have it, the story of Vagaro and its founder, Fred Helou. It's a truly inspiring story of how a passion for technology and a commitment to helping others can lead to great success. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.